Kottu vinur. No, Georg. Kottu. Ekki byrja það. Georg. Þarna. Okay, guys, we have started now.
What's up? How we doing? Matti,
Yes.
why is your screen black? What is this?
It's not for me, it's just for you.
Oh, okay, wait. I'm cooking. How we doing, chat? What's up?
Okay, we're gonna continue with our Minecraft run.
Is everybody doing good, by the way? How is everybody feeling today? It's a Saturday. Good day to be alive, chat. Good day to be alive. Hello, good. Hello, Vibe, I'm doing good. And you? What's up? Amazing to
Okay, I'm
hear.
gonna start up a world.
My allergies are choking me, but sure. Alright. W Saturday, chat. Yeah, third day in a row trying to beat Minecraft Hardcore. Let's see if we can do it. I'm doing good. I'm doing the latest on Spotify. Thank you, Elma. I appreciate it. Bro, I'm literally starting my shift right now. Damn! Vibe, I am a bit fan. I appreciate you for being a bit fan. That's
Boom.
pretty cool. Maybe you can be a
Yes.
terabyte fan one day. You're a bit fan, then you become a megabyte fan, then gigabyte, terabyte fan. That's how the vibe structure works in the fandom. Everybody knows this. Everybody knows this. There are people like Elma who's a terabyte fan. And then there are people who are just a bit fan.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna keep on doing the Minecraft.
Minecraft Hardcore, guys. We have not succeeded yet.
We have not yet.
The best we have done is gotten 5 diamonds.
Are you still trying to reach 100,000 subscribers? Of course! We're this
Yes.
close! Come on! Make your mom subscribe! Come on, we're like 1,000 subscribers away!
So guys, please subscribe.
I was listening to your song. Thank you! Yeah, round 3, chat. Come on.
Hold on, I've already started, by the way.
Oh, you started?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's jump in, baby. Let's jump in. I'm actually so excited.
We're in a good seat. It's a good seat. It's
Okay.
We have melons all over the place.
You should wear leather jackets, not
Don't
only
have to
in
waste
music videos.
time
Alright.
on food.
Alright. Oh my god, we are in this. Okay, nice. Melons. Okay.
Yeah. Grab as many melons as you can.
Okay, nice. I'll start grabbing this. I realize you guys you're only 1,200 subscribers away from 100k. I know! It's crazy, actually.
Guys, you have to subscribe.
I kinda think
If you're
that's
not
wild.
subscribed, subscribe.
Yeah, that is kinda crazy, not gonna lie. Since I was a kid, I always wanted the play button, so maybe we can get it, and then I will be happy. I can put it next to the Roa plaque. Wait, how has your day been so far, Matti? Are you good?
Very good.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah! I just woke up, by the way. I just woke up.
Just woke up.
And I'm ready. Oh my god, sorry. I almost died, like, tragically. But I found cave, Matti. Matti, I found cave!
We have to get the materials. How much food do you have?
I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, we need more. And melons. Melon.
They're so crazy. I know we're crazy, chat. Come on.
We need melons.
Melons?
Yeah.
Alright. Blip blop.
A lot of them.
Blip blop.
Then we are able to eat, and then we don't have to worry about food.
Alright.
Only thing we need is wood and food.
You think so? Oh my god, wait, sorry. Yeah. I am checking here. Wait.
What is... Oh, is the block here?
Perfect. Yeah, chat. Everyone subscribe. You know this. You know this. Oh, wait. I'll do this. Sorry. Wait.
It's a cat.
I'll do pumpkin. Can we eat pumpkin? No, I don't think so.
You have to make, like, some pie.
I can help y'all beat the game since y'all die so much. Bro, we might need to do that. We might need to get some experts from Vibe Gang to help us. If it goes, especially if we go like tragically, like if we're all of a sudden at like around 1 billion and we're like, okay, we can't beat. Alright, let's make Vibe Gang do.
But we have learned from our mistakes, guys.
That is true. Blip, blop.
No walking into lava, no getting LAN cable disabled, no killing Iron Golem.
Yeah, bro.
No get bombarded by zombies.
Oh my god, so many melons! Melon!
Yeah, get them all.
Melon!
Then we don't have to worry about food.
Melon! How many food do we get from one melon?
Many.
No, we get one.
What do you mean?
Melon! Bloop. Give me melon! Bloop. Need a lot of torches for light. Yeah, that's true, chat. Okay, thank you. Chat is giving us...
No.
What is happening over there?
Attacked by skeleton.
Oh my god,
Let's go, move. Come.
Don't fight them. Whatever you
do,
bro. We will die tragically and we will have to change a seat.
Come here. Georg, what are you doing?
Is the cat?
Georg.
Is the cat doing stuff?
Yeah,
find mango. Find mango, they say. Find mango. Melon song? It's always like that. I talk about
game, I think.
Every time we talk about an object, chat is always going like, oh, I say dirt. They say, oh my god, dirt song. Oh my god, it's confirmed. Dirt song. Mango song. Yeah, what direction should we go, Matti? There's another jungle over there.
Bro, where are you? Oh, yeah.
There's a big jungle here. Is that value?
We don't need to go more jungle. Jungle is not value.
Alright.
It's just waste of time. Let's go. Find cave. We're speedrunning now.
Yeah, we're speedrunning, but we still remember we are hardcore, so like... We have to be careful.
But also in normal speedrun, you cannot... Is this cave or is this just a
I googled how to speedrun Minecraft and they said, first step, create a world and set it on easy mode.
Bro, boring.
Dirt song, chat, dirt song. Ha.
Georg, no. Georg, hey, Georg, no.
What is happening?
He's disconnecting my cables.
Are you still there?
Georg, Georg
Okay.
having the time of his life disconnecting my cables.
Broski. Why? Why you do that? Oh my god, Flower!
Yeah.
Hello, Flower. Nice to meet you.
Okay, this is.
I'll take you on with
no.
me on my journey.
Yeah, when Halton called me, he said, "I don't know if you can do this." I said, "Yes, do it. Don't give up that easy."
No, I was like, ayo, maybe we should just put our world on easy mode.
But that's not fair.
I mean, we make the rules, you know?
Yeah, but we have already been trying to do this in hardcore, so let's do it in hardcore.
Blip blop. Alright, let's
Okay,
try
let's
to
go.
find cave, I think. I
Yeah,
found
that's
cave!
the
Oh
next
my
mission.
god!
Ah,
Speak of
perfect.
the devil
Oh,
appears!
nice,
Haters hating on me,
nice.
but I see them in tears! Ooh, yeah!
Okay, there's iron there, but we need coal. Let's go here to the end of the cave.
Wow, this is a
Yeah,
great
Georg.
cave. I love this.
Yes. Yes,
Oh my god,
yes,
this is
yes.
beautiful.
Oh,
Lots
come here,
of-
come here.
Lots of iron.
There's a waterfall down.
Ooh,
But there are slime.
baby!
There's slime down there. There's slime down there. And creeper. So we will get killed as soon as we land down there. Okay, let's go here, come here.
Wow, oh my god,
Let's
slime
get a
jumped into
crafting
lava
table.
and killed himself. That's hilarious.
Nice, that's good for us.
Wait, did you go down? No, no. Yeah,
No.
wait. Blip blop. Are we gonna...
Oh, I just created the crafting table.
Oh.
Oh well.
We have to
Just
make...
create
I'll
an
make
axe.
an axe, not wood pickaxe.
A pickaxe, sorry.
I'll just get the materials we need, you know? And then we should be good. Ah! Oh, nothing.
Don't fall, though, bro.
I will not. Ah! Woo!
Hold on. Be careful,
That was
man.
scary, chat.
This is
my
gonna be the
God.
run. We have to just lock in.
Wait, the melons.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, we don't have any thing for bat. We don't have any bat.
Oh, damn.
Okay, that's just gonna be something we have to live with.
Yeah.
Stone pickaxe and stone sword.
Yeah, do you have?
Yep.
Nice. I don't have
Okay.
stone sword.
Should we go down?
Yes.
Okay, we can jump here. Yeah.
Jimalwo! That was fun. Hey,
Coal. There's coal there. There's coal there.
Okay, and we need to get rid of the slime though. Wait.
Yeah.
Nice. I'll take some coal.
Yeah, get all the coal we can.
And then let's start grabbing the iron. There. Oh, creeper is coming. Matti, creeper is coming. I think he's gonna suicide
Where?
on us. There's suicide bomber right in, like, up top.
Okay, but there's almost nighttime, Aldo. We need torches.
I have one coal, Matti, one coal.
Get more.
Yeah, I'm trying. Oop, what's your favorite object in Minecraft? I don't know. Object, like
Diamond block.
diamond pickaxe, maybe?
Okay, okay, hold on. It's nighttime. We have to get going. Get
Yeah.
torches now. Create
Yeah.
torches with whatever you have.
Alright, Matti, I create torch. Here you go. Blip, blop.
Georg, don't disconnect my cable.
Alright, I got a
Okay,
little bit of this. And then I'll take this.
Okay, we're good for now, I think.
Oh my god, it's impossible to mine in water! What is this? Oh,
Let's get as much coal as we can.
Oop.
Okay, we have to create shields right away, I think.
I cannot for some reason get this. This is the hardest iron to get. Come on.
Hold on, can you cook all the iron you have?
Yes.
So we can create
Oh, place a block to stand. You
shield.
guys are genius.
Georg, no, this is Minecraft. You cannot play it. You're a cat.
You're literally cat. How do you want to play? Why do you want to play Minecraft?
Cat cannot play Minecraft. Hey Georg, hello. You cannot play Minecraft.
Ah! Ah!
No.
No, we're good.
Oh, okay, I thought you were dead.
I'm just two health, but there are some irons over there which I did not take.
Okay, that's okay. Just smash what we have so we can create shields.
Alright. Yeah, I think the shield is most important, honestly.
Yeah. Ah!
Do you have
Oh
any
my god.
Do you have any coal?
I almost drowned in gravel.
Oh my god, classic fail. We've not died that yet, so I kinda feel like we have that left. Melon! Nom. Birthday in 2 days. Happy birthday in 2 days, potato.
It'll be a great time. Yeah, I can put coal in.
Yeah.
But I need more, we need more coal, a lot more coal.
Yes.
I only have 8.
Alright.
Ah, zombie!
Yeah, kill it. I have sword now. Unstoppable. Coal next to lava. What? What do you mean? This here. Chat said coal next to lava.
Yeah, I took it already.
Oh, okay.
If that's what they're talking about. Okay, there's a way over there to get further into the cave. Oh, there's coal here. Nice. In the water.
Oh yeah, there's also some iron I didn't finish because of like logistics. Ah! I'm so cooked, buddy! I'm cooked! There's baby zombie following me! And I have
okay,
4 health.
Where is the
in water? He's in water.
I don't see him. I hear, yeah.
Oh, he's on me!
Careful.
Why he only wants me? What's he holding, bro?
Chicken.
No. Oh my god, Nautilus shell. This is actually a rare item. But I don't think we'll need it. Yeah, we don't need it. But still fun to have rare. Oh, I see. There's a cave over there.
Ah.
Wait, creepers don't explode in water, right? I don't think so.
Yes, they do.
Oh, okay. Then I will not mess around with this guy. I will create shields for us to survive.
Yeah, please do.
Nope. I cannot smell melon. Oh my god.
Bro.
What is happening?
Shut up.
Oh, sorry.
I'm so dead.
No, come on.
Okay, there are so many mobs over there.
There are, there are like many mobs in Minecraft.
We can get the copper and create copper armor.
Okay, let's do that. I hereby create shields for us both.
Thank you.
Oh yes, for you also.
Yeah, please do.
Does Matt read chat too? No, I don't think he does.
No, I don't read chat. I'm just focused on the game because I don't have the chat open anywhere.
Yeah.
Halda will just have to read it for me and tell me what is happening.
Oh my god.
You know? I'm just playing on PlayStation. Haldan has so many screens at home.
Yeah.
Haldan has like every screen in the world.
I have 2 screens. I have one on my left and one here with this.
Yeah, I just have one and one that I need to use for camera.
Oh my god, the chat is lagging. They're saying bless you right now. I feel like
Oh, that's okay.
I was sneezing like 1 minute ago. Thank you, chat, by the way. I appreciate it. Have you two been to Norway? Yes, actually.
Oh, many times.
Many times. Many times.
Bro, okay, this
Bro has chat delayed. Yeah, I don't know.
Delay.
Yeah, I think so. Do you find more coal? I think.
Yeah.
We take the copper, I think, right?
Yeah, take the copper and just smash it. Let's create armor if we don't have enough iron to create iron armor.
Alright. Oh, kill. Should I make pickaxe with iron we have?
Yeah. Let's just try to advance as much as you can, as fast as you can.
Yes. Okay, I have iron pickaxe. For you also, or what?
Yeah.
Or maybe helmet or something. I don't know.
No,
Pickaxe it is.
just pickaxe.
Up. Mhm. 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 Take. And shield also. Take.
Yeah, okay, nice. I have 40 copper. Can you make more ovens?
More
Where is the
ovens.
shield?
Yes, I will break. How many ovens you need?
If we, just so we can divide it so it goes faster.
Oh, okay.
I'll create ovens too. Do you have any copper?
2.
Okay. Just put that in the same oven as I do.
I love gimme
I have
more.
40.
Thank you. Mhm.
Hi, Georg.
We only need like 3 ovens or something, right? Also, we need more coal,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, I have like 30.
Oh, okay, nice. Wait,
Uh,
I should check here, right?
zombie coming at me.
Holy guacamole! I've never seen so many mobs at one place in
Yeah,
water.
don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there.
It's kind of funny though. Maybe I can make the creeper, because I can... Oh my god, tiny zombie villager, he's the cutest! I can't kill you. I can't kill him. He's too cute. That was fun, let's do it again. Come on. Come on, dog. Yeah, bro. I can make the creeper explode in water. It's so fun. And I don't take damage. Sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
But
I
I would advise you not to be doing that.
Yeah, this is actually very bad idea. Why did I not realize?
Yeah.
I'm so stupid.
If you die accidentally, then the run is over.
Okay, wait. Creeper coming.
Don't move. Just go. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Perfect. Oh.
Yeah, shield. Oh my god. Ah!
Oh my god, you ran into me.
I'm one health. I'm one health. One health.
Hide.
Oh, I'm actually not one health. I was like 2.5. I just felt like it.
Perfect.
Ah! Minecraft gods,
Yeah.
thank you!
That's why you have to hide.
Ah! Creeper!
Move. Okay.
Is everyone lag? What does that mean?
Baby zombie.
Creep behind your webs, bro. I'm sorry. Yeah, Matt is...
Oh, lapis.
Where? Oh my god, there's also like... good stuff.
Okay. Hold on, take this.
What is this? Oh, nice. Armor. Thank you.
I'm working on creating armor for
Are you winning? I'm so winning, I swear.
Next we'll do pens for you.
I wish I had bow. I could snipe the creeper. I don't like him.
Here you go, take this.
Alright, thank you. Now you took it
no,
again.
I took it back, yeah. Oh, wait, here.
Thank you.
2 copper.
Copper fit.
Okay,
Copper
we've
fit.
got... okay, we can create boots also. That's it.
Hell yeah. I hear skellies. I'm scared. Also, my food source is also almost over.
What?
Yep.
How does that happen?
I don't know. I just eat melons. I eat melon. I don't know. Thank you for WFit, chat.
Okay, we're gonna be continuing. Creeper up there.
Yeah, there's creeper up there. There's creeper up there. They don't want to come down and kill us, I think. But there's also iron up there if we want.
Iron, yeah.
And there's also skeleton, and there's also another creeper, and there's also witch over there. So maybe we don't go there.
And we will die. Take this.
And skeleton is shooting me. And skeleton tried to kill himself.
Wait, don't.
And skeleton die. Bye, Skelly.
Okay. Creeper! Creeper, move!
Pay. I win. Alright, let's go. This direction, man. This direction.
Wait.
There is
I'm gonna
iron over
create
there
the
and iron
spear.
over there. Skeleton in
Yeah,
water?
Creeper! I was in my inventory crafting torches. I was crafting torches. No! No! Well, okay, let's continue.
I was gonna kill myself.
Okay.
Damn. I have so many worlds.
We
here.
always die the most stupid ways.
Yes, that was stupid. Damn. Don't give up, guys. I'm proud. Thank you. No, we will never
I think
give up.
no.
But we've
we're
never
gonna
reached the
make it.
nether, bro. We've never reached the nether. What is this?
Bro, that day we reach the nether and a ghast will blow us up.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna be angry then that day.
Me too.
It's so funny to play hardcore. I've never done it before.
Yeah, it's kind of fun though. Because you have to lock
then,
the
like, you
flock
only
in.
one chance.
You only
Yeah,
get
you
one
only
shot.
one chance.
Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Do not touch Mike. I'm sorry, yes. Alright.
Okay, big cave.
Okay, good landscape, I think. Right? No.
Yeah, but
No,
I think we should
actually,
just lock the
I
flock.
saw on YouTube that
Yeah.
if you like land on a seat with this type of landscape, you reset.
Yeah. Why?
In like speedruns, because it's just so like hard to get by, because like there are so mountains and like up and down and stuff. They've always.
But you go the other direction. You just go the other direction.
Yeah. No, I like it actually. It's kind of cool seat. There's cave over there.
Here is a cave. Here's a good cave. Let's get trees.
Yeah, and
bats,
sheep,
bats.
sheep, kill sheep,
We need bats,
sheep,
we
you
need
die,
bats.
sheep, die. Chicken, jockey, chicken, die. Thank you.
Okay.
Yep.
Where is tree? There's only one tree here. Wow, great.
Yeah, one singular tree. That's kind of funny though. But there are a lot of trees
We're gonna
over
have to
there.
move.
Should we
Yeah.
go up the mountain or like what direction should we go?
The other direction.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, where are you? Yeah, you're doing that tree.
Taking a tree.
There is one more tree
Take
here.
this tree in front of you. Yeah, take
Yeah.
all the trees you see.
Bro, there's like no
We need
trees.
We need them. Oh, more sheeps. How much wool do you have?
1.
Okay, you have to get 2 more.
I know.
And get 2 beds. I have enough for 1 bed.
Yes. Does Matti not need chat? No, Matti does not need chat.
No, I don't have an extra screen, guys. I can't afford the extra screen. I'm not like Haldan, you know. I live on my own. It's expensive.
Yeah, you have to buy your own cheese, bro.
Yeah, I have to buy my groceries, guys. There's no service at my house. It's just me and my girlfriend. And we have to provide for ourselves. But Haldan can get food from mom.
Hey, yo, Matti, check this cave out.
Yeah. Wait, I got a lot of food. Can you get trees? A lot of them.
Alright, I guess we'll have to go into the tree biome over there.
Yeah.
Die. And die.
Cow die.
Pig,
Die.
die pig, I say. I say die pig, you die, alright? Easy, come on. Big cave, wow, I know.
Sheep. I take sheep. It ain't cheap to be a sheep.
I am ya. Oh my god. Oh my god. So much coal!
Okay,
I have to be there.
nice. Take it.
Yes.
If you see coal, you have to take.
Boy. Oh, the crafting skills are unmatched, Matti.
Then just straight away create an oven and let's cook it. Cook the food I have.
Okay. I'll go grab some things here. Oh,
Nice,
no.
nice. Oh, we can create 2 beds.
That was stupid. I have idea, chat. No worries. I got jump scare. I'm gonna do something boring. Do it. Flip.
Too boring,
Plop.
too boring, too boring, too boring.
Oh yeah, wait. Flip, plop. Like this. Fine. Wait. I'm gonna do this. And I go here. Wait. This. And this.
Okay, do you have any wood?
Yeah, 11. But only planks, not like oak.
Oh, we need more wood then. Well, I've only been providing the food. I have a lot of food. We're good for days.
That's good to hear. What? Oh my god, zombies are fighting, I think. They have their own little community down there. That's so cute. Insane bridging skills. Thank you! Just getting that coal, whatever means necessary. I feel like there's a way to get to Nether without being into the mines, you know. Isn't there like a water bucket trick?
But hold on, remember, we're trying to kill a dragon, we're not just getting into the
Nether, that's
We need diamonds. We need diamonds, man.
That is true, that is true.
Do we have ovens?
No.
And coal. Create ovens and coal and...
I am about to die, Matti, so I will not do that.
Wait. Oh, wait, why are you about to die?
No, I say, ah! Because maybe I'm on fire. Ah!
Bro,
okay.
Ah! It was a good run,
No, we're okay.
It started well, But we can just learn from it next time.
Oh, that was scary. Alright, I got 5 coal, that's it. If I go down, I will die.
Yeah, don't die.
Maybe I will go down, wait. I can do this, wait.
No, hold on. We have to
No, there's creeper.
block the flock. We have to get some stuff first.
Damn. What's your favorite song you made? I don't know. There's so many. Probably Fillery. That's a classic. Brr.
I have so much leather, you can call me the leather man.
You can call
Where are you, Alden?
I'm here.
Hold on.
Yeah,
I need an oven. If you want to get food, then you need to put it in the oven.
Okay.
It does nothing while it's not cooked.
Just getting the coal in, bro. No, I mean cobblestone. Wait, I need my crafting table back, actually. Thank you.
When I light it up, I will run through the forest.
I'm gonna make some torches, and I'm gonna grab these coals over there real quick. Because I see there are no
hold on.
here.
I need to cook right now.
Yeah, and then I'm grabbing coal so you can cook.
Okay.
Ah!
I cannot. Well, it was a good run.
No, we're okay.
I can't even run. I don't want to waste the food without cooking it. I've been running around sweaty after the animals.
11 coal. Maybe I can find one more or something.
No, we don't need more. We just need to cook it and then
I found more
trees.
coal. It's okay.
Oh, okay. I will just have to eat it raw.
No, don't do it.
That's a waste.
Ah, skeleton! Skeleton!
Oh. Hey, it was a good run.
No, we're good. I will just not grab the rest of the coal. I will rather come
Get the food that's there.
What food?
It fell down.
Brought
Over
flesh. Alright.
No, over there, hold on.
I don't know what over there means. What do you mean?
Up.
Ah,
Ah,
thank you. I'll go up now.
okay, you create the oven. That would be nice.
Yes.
I'm so prepared. I have so much
Yeah, you're
food.
up there. Okay. Yeah, let's do it here. Alright, put the food in.
Yeah, I can't run, so you have to just wait.
Alright. Nice. Very good, actually. Very good.
But I have more. Different types. I just have to eat now.
What do you need Matti needs to cook? He is always cooking. That's the true though. That's true though. When you think about it.
Oh, nice. It does so much.
It only makes sense when you think about it. Wait.
I'm gonna give myself this because I was so good at killing.
I think it's almost nighttime.
Okay, let's get beds.
Do you have enough?
Yep.
Nice. Give me the steaks.
While you've been just running around doing nonsense, I've been getting stuff.
Thank you.
It's not night.
It's almost night, I swear.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
Yeah, Matti, you can use magic. Come on.
Sleep. Throw me, baby. Okay, get wood. We have to get wood. And
Should we go to this cave? I kinda don't like this cave, but we can do it.
you don't like it.
No, yeah, it's actually no, yeah, I like it.
You can just find another one if you want to.
No, lock into this cave. It's good, I think. Maybe you don't need more
19
coal. I don't know.
wood.
Opposites.
Yeah, we need a lot of coal.
Flippity flop.
Torches,
flop,
remember.
flop,
Torches.
Torches, yes. Torches.
It's the key ingredient.
That is true. Yeah, I was trying to get this coal, but kinda don't want to bother with it, you know? Alright, I go here, I kill this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, so I can take this one. Wow, that was so much value. Great! I missed it. I'll go down, get it. Take copper, right?
Yeah, we can create armor with it.
Okay, temporary armor, I like.
Yeah, that's better than no armor.
That is true. Brr. Haldan looks so cute. Thank you. Yala really want kebab. Go get kebab. I'm getting so much copper, you don't even know. Bro, you would never know. Oh my god, I'm getting kinda far.
Now we get prepared in the overworld.
Bro, Matti.
Yeah.
I'm getting kinda far down, not gonna lie.
Okay, then good luck to you.
Thank you. There's coal here. Oh my god, this is crazy cave, Matti!
Yeah.
Damn.
That's good.
This is actually scary crazy, bro. Oh my god, so much coal.
Nice. Food for days.
I need to see.
Is it a good cave?
Yeah, I think so. It is a very good one, I think.
Okay, nice.
We'll grab some iron, actually, yes. Thank you.
Can you get me a stone pickaxe?
Can you come down, bring the crafting table. You have probably lots of wood and stuff, so just come.
Yeah. Wait.
Bro. Hope not, bro. I'm scared that creeper will sneak up and hunt. No, bro. We're good. I think we're good at least.
I hope so.
Don't need to waste another torch here. Let's see. Oh my god, there are so many different ways we can explore. We can go this direction or the other one. And there's a skeleton, and I don't wanna go there.
No, don't go there. We need shield.
Yes. I need more iron.
How much copper do you have?
1 stack and 16.
Okay, nice. We just have to cook that ore and get the
Yeah, come on down, bro. Come on
Yeah,
down.
I don't have pickaxe. I cannot take the oven. Wait, I have to create that.
Oh my god, we got so much copper, bro. Can you create copper pickaxes now?
Yeah, I think so, Loki.
Creeper behind you. No, there is no creeper behind me. Come on. Don't get lost. I tried not to get lost. Oh, wait. Wait. Millions of worlds saved after millions of attempting to beat a single hardcore games. Yeah, I don't know, man. Oh my god, so much coal. Let's go. Hell yeah. Nom. I eat coal.
How did you go down?
Just walk down pretty much.
Okay, come here.
Wait.
Where are you? Deeper? What the fuck?
There's more coal over there. Okay, interesting. This cave goes deep, chat. Creeper is kinda useless. Yes, there are. Oh, you're here, nice. Okay, give me a crafting table and I can make a pickaxe. Okay, I thought you... Okay, alright. I mean, you could have also just put it down, but okay.
You said give me.
Yeah, I give you.
Put the copper in there.
Yes, sir. I give you this, and I also make another one for me.
You didn't give me anything.
Take.
Perfect. Yeah, put the copper. Perfect. Let's create another one and make it faster.
Okay, bet. You are unequipped with armors. Yeah. No, we're good.
Hold on.
Yes.
Put the copper in there.
Oh, wait. Wrong thing.
Do you have any coal?
Yes.
Yeah, put the coal in the furnace.
Okay, then we can at least have some armor. Then we just need a little bit iron, okay?
Yeah, where's iron?
I think we'll have to go down for that, honestly.
Oh, is it deeper, the cave?
Oh, yes.
Nice. Perfect.
Oh boy, if you only knew. If you only knew, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah, good.
No, I don't want to waste here. Oh my god, no.
Do you not have any more coal?
I wasted wool block.
Do we have any more coal?
Wait, yes, no.
No.
I see coal, but I'm trying to get creeper.
No, don't be getting creeper, man.
I'm trying to kill him with my pickaxe, bro. That was hard. And I need my wool back also.
I'll create copper swords.
I need my wool. If I make bed.
No, we have bed. You have bed.
Oh, okay, then I don't need the wool. Then. Okay.
Do you not have the bed from last night?
Oh yes, actually I have it in my inventory. I don't know what I was taking.
Perfect.
I'm just stupid.
Hey, take this.
Okay, there are zombies coming. Just copper sword. Is that better than stone sword?
I don't know, man.
Let's try. I mean, it works. Can you, chat? Can you just skip to iron armor. Copper is not worth it, they say.
Oh, I have full copper armor.
Too late. We're locking in with copper, baby. Oh my god, we're so back. Can you give me armor?
Yeah, I'm creating for you, wait.
Nice. Copper not worth it, they say. They're just calling us stupid.
No, we have armor to protect us from the monsters.
Yeah, but this is like a temporary armor, because it's hardcore, you know. So it's like an armor
It's
we
hardcore.
use.
If we die, we die.
It's armor too while we're looking for iron. We have armor, you know.
Yeah, before we have iron armor.
And then we do
take
iron
this
armor.
one. You need boots, or what do you need?
I
What is
need
left?
hat and pants.
Hat and pants?
Yes.
Pants? No.
Yes. I have boots.
Pants?
I have boots.
No, pants is underneath you.
Huh? Oh, yes. Okay, then I need hat.
Okay, I will give you hat.
Thank you.
This is hat for you. Hat is here.
Yeah, copper armor is better than nothing. That is true.
Okay, let's just take this.
Yeah. There are some things I don't need, which I'll just put here. Up.
Okay, let's go deeper in the cave. Do you have any torches?
Oh.
Ah, I'm taking your shit.
You're taking my trash hole. I got 24 torches, but I can make more. You have some coal with you, right?
No, I have 2 coal.
Oh, okay. Should we waste
That
the
means
rest of the
8
coal on
torches.
torches or what? There are coal. There are coals over here.
Come, let's sleep.
Oh, okay. But we're in cave. I think it does not matter.
Okay.
Come on, because we're just going down. Okay, there are some coal here we can take. W copper chat.
Ah, skeleton.
Bro, there is so much coal here.
Ah, he's shooting me.
Come on. Where is he?
Behind you.
Oh my god. I'll go in for the attack. He doesn't know I have copper sword. Let's go. Okay, let's take the rest of the coal.
I don't know what it is. Do you wanna do a trade? I give you food, you give me torches.
Oh, I like that trade, yes. I'll make torches after I get every single coal here, because there's so much coal, bro. We got coal for days, man. Days! We never need to think about torches ever again.
That's what you want.
Yeah, you treated copper too harshly. I think we would have died if we had not had copper.
Yep. Then we would have started a new world, guys. So you don't want that.
Nope. 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 And a nope. And a nope. And a nope. You have wood, right?
Yeah.
Then you kind of have to make the torches, though. Here's the coal. I don't have wood. I have 5 wood, so I have not enough for more than like 10. Oh my god, more coal. They have infinite coal here, bro. It's crazy, guys. Crazy! Get all the coal, yes. Coal has potential. That is true. That is true. We need iron, first of all. Let's see if we can see something up here. No, nothing. Maybe up here.
Take this.
Thank you.
And take this.
Oh, and steak. Thank you. Appreciate the love.
Okay, let's go down. Be careful, skeleton.
Yeah. Got it.
Ah, zombie.
Yeah.
Skeleton. Ah, whoa, he has a spear.
Yeah, he has like... I'll come here.
Yeah, perfect.
He has like long range then.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Matti! You will not believe.
What?
Don't push me, bro.
If you find any iron, did you find iron?
There is iron over there. There is iron.
Okay, we have to get going creating shields.
Shields, yes. If we're ever gonna survive, we're gonna have shields. We're gonna have to take. Unfortunately, we have to make shields.
Okay, we have enough coal, I think.
Secret entrance strat chat. Don't leak this, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God. If you leak this, I will be angry. Ah.
This can go in my inventory. This can go here.
Yo. Okay, wait.
Ah, perfect. Iron.
I think I need a way to get over there to get that iron. I don't think there's any iron elsewhere, but let's see. I don't want to fall down also. This is a good place to be. Maybe I can take a shortcut over there. I can mine through the wall. I think so. Yes! That works, I think. Oh my god, I'm smartest guy in world!
Okay, I have 2 iron. We can
That's
create
creepy,
shields.
yes, I'm careful, chat. Okay, nice. Just go down and go to where I am.
What?
I'm building
I only have
bridge.
one.
I'm building bridge, no worries.
What?
Yes.
It's
Chat, I'm
what?
smart, I swear to God. This is only big brains understand, I think.
I don't know what
Oh my god, I'm
it
literally
is.
the smartest. God damn. Hell yeah. Yo. Oh my god. Iron.
Okay, shield secured.
Nice, bro. I'm getting so much iron.
Nice.
Oh, this is so satisfying. Wait, zombie. I kill you. I kill you, I say. Die. There you go. Bro, infinite food source. No, infinite iron source. A lot of iron, yes. Bro is smart. Oh my god, smart move. Thank you. Finally, chat is appreciating my smartness.
Mm-hmm.
Blip, blip, blop, blip, blop. Blop, blip.
Now we just have to get some diamonds.
And now I just have to kill this creeper.
The diamond minecart.
I used the creeper to kill the other guy. I'm smart like that, chat. Oh my god. Tiny guy! Come on, die. You're not even cute.
Okay, let's go. Where are you?
I'm going
Say
down.
1, 2. Where are
Oh
you?
my god. The mobs are so many, bro. Okay, give me my beautiful what's it called? Yeah. Oh my
Ah,
god.
spider! Oh, very good.
Yeah, give
Take
me
this.
my shield. Thank you. Okay, we should.
Okay, there's more iron over there.
Ah.
How much iron do you have?
I have. Wait. I got 11 iron. Wait. I kinda need to throw some trash in the trash can, which I'm gonna make right now. Because I need inventory space. I don't need anything here, I'm sorry. It's all useless to me. Oh my god, iron. Wait, do you have crafting table with you?
Yeah, I think so.
Very good. I probably need to create a new pickaxe. Yeah, let's just smelt the iron. Let's make iron pickaxes.
Here.
Nice. Okay, zombie behind. Let's be careful, man. We cannot die.
There's gold over there. We don't need that yet. Okay, we can go deeper here. Ah, creeper.
I'm just getting Iron Man. Iron Man. You're doing amazing. Thank you. Thank you, chat. I appreciate it.
I think this is the most flawless run we have had.
It's a good one. I feel it.
It's going very flawlessly.
This is like quite normal cave actually, I feel like. Okay, there's Enderman over there. I'm gonna try to trick him.
No, remember, you have to do a hole in the...
Yeah. Hole in wall.
2 blocks in. 2 blocks in.
2 blocks in?
Yeah. Then he can't catch you.
And then just this, right?
Yeah, lure him, and then just punch.
Okay. Where's Enderman? Here he is. Look at me, bro. Look at me. Oh my god. I only lured a zombie! What is this? Die.
2 iron pickaxes.
Come on.
Boom.
Is he here? I feel like I lured him. Wait. Is he here?
Oh, he's at me. He's with me.
Oh, what the hell? What the flippity floppy?
Look at me. Okay, I have him.
Nice.
Where did he go?
I hear him. He's angry, I think.
Yeah, I punched him once. Here. Perfect. Okay.
I punched him also. Now he's at me.
No, hold on. That was not a good idea. Oh my god. Here, come here. No ender pearl. Nope, ender pearl.
Oh man, all this work for nothing. Damn. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
At least we get iron pickaxe now.
Yeah, I have for you. Don't forget.
Nice. Oh, thank you.
How much iron did you take?
9. Do you need it?
No, maybe you can create something, but we cannot create something.
Alright, let's go mine.
Yep.
Yeah, finish this stuff. And then we go into the goddamn mines! Let's go. My soul sends the jump scare. Enderman. W, you need Enderman. Yeah, we need Enderman to get to Nether.
Yeah. No, to get to end.
Yes, that's true. Sorry, oh my god.
Oh, be careful of the witch. She's very naughty.
I hate witch.
Yeah.
Bye. Oh my god, you died. How tragic. Brrr. Alright, let's see.
Okay. Let's continue with our journey.
Emerald! I never mined emerald before, I think.
Iron and zombies. Nice.
I'll just take it for the love of the game. Yeah, lots of iron, bro. Oh my god. This copper stuff is not too bad, not gonna lie. Bro, don't die. Whatever you do.
Yeah, I'm trying not to die. Be careful, more zombies.
Yep. Bro, we got so much material here. It's crazy.
Creeper. Move.
We're good. Well, let's take all this iron, bro. We got infinite. EKX vibe collab, bro. What the flavy? Emerald. Microsoft reference. Oh my god. Let's go, dogs. We gotta get those irons in, man.
Creeper. Don't die.
Bro, you have shield. There's like literally nothing to worry about with creepers anymore. I don't want him to take my coal though.
Yeah. Zombie.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good. One
Did
more
you take the iron?
I took some iron, yes.
Careful! Spider behind you.
Oh my god. We need to kill all these mother flippers. What is
Oh.
this? I'll make the skeleton do it.
Oh my god. I'm getting shot at from all directions.
Yep. This is like a...
Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Run back to safety. I have light here.
Eat. Okay, I can create iron sword though.
Wait. Yeah, we need that. I'm so dead, bro. I'm so dead.
Yeah, hide. Please do it for me.
I'm literally dead.
Don't be a hero. Don't be a hero. Hide. Don't be a hero. Hold on. What are you doing? Hold on. No. Oh my god, hold on. This was so avoidable. This was so avoidable. This was just pure stupidity.
No. I mean, this was like, what's it called?
Stupid.
No, because at some point I was like, I have to run. No, I can't. I have to fight. I can't run because if I run, he will shoot.
No, you can just build the hole. Heal.
Yeah, I don't know. That was such a good run, not gonna lie.
Yep.
Damn.
Okay. We're back.
One more.
Yep.
Alright. Wait. Alright, let's go, man. Oh my god. Wait. Alright. Wait, I'll be back in like 1 second.
Why?
I have to grab something. Wait.
Okay. Well, guys, you cannot see my screen, so I cannot entertain you much, but I'm taking wood. It's a lot of wood. We're in like the weird biome with the gray trees and the orange inside, you know? You know what I'm talking about? That's the biome we're in. I just have to describe everything for you. Then I am taking wood now. I have 16 wood. Guys, no worries. Okay. I'm gonna go here. There's a hole. I have to be careful with that. It's so good to entertain people while they can't see. I'm just to describe everything.
We're back, dog. What double description? Hold on, lead. Thank you. Run 11, baby. Alright, we got sheep, we got trees, we got village, I see.
Oh, nice. Let's go to the village.
I'll go check out the
village.
Get
the food. No, let's get the food and run.
Yeah.
And the pillager thing is still there.
Pillager? What do you mean?
The pillager house.
Oh, what?
Not Woodley Mansion, the other thing.
Yeah. Oh god, water. We can break to it, thank you. This might be a good run.
Hope so. Hope so very much.
But we're always learning also.
Yeah, now you learned that you should run away from fights, not always.
How big is my like render distance? I wanna have it in max. How can I see that? Like video. Frame rate limit. Render distance, yeah, it's max. It's max. Okay, good. Because we need that.
Bad. Crafting table.
Bro tried building a farm in like middle of walking up mountain. That's stupid.
Nothing here. Okay, hay bales. That's good.
Oh
that's
my
good.
god. Yeah. Now we're good with food. We're good with food now. You take all that. I'll go check upstairs.
This will save us some time.
Yes. Smelter. Oh, more hay bales, I think. Yes.
Yeah, take them all. Take them all.
Yes,
Take them all.
yes. I'm gonna see if there's chest. Oh, there's chest. Sorry, I break your window. Oh my god, leather. Leather armor, I'll take. Better than nothing.
Nice.
Hello, friend. Don't kill this iron golem.
Yeah, remember, he will kill you.
He will kill you, and you will die. Another chest. Oh my god. Thank you, Porkchop. Thank you, kind villagers, for giving me your stuff. Break the window and steal. I usually do not steal, chat. Like, this was an exception. It's an exception.
Okay. Is there a lot more? There's coal here. Nice.
Favorite 2026 Eurovision song? It kinda. I like Switzerland and Moldova, and then Greece also. And Italy is also a banger. Hold on, shoplifting, flashback. Bro, I wasn't even shoplifting, chat. You just made it up. You're spreading false information, I swear. I've never stolen anything in my life. I've always been a pretty chill guy. I swear to God. Alright, I'll take the wood. Moldova is on duty. Fake news. Hold on. Come on. It's fake news. It's fake. Doesn't he say that always? The orange man. It's fake. Fake news. Fake news.
Okay, I'm getting coal for days.
Okay, kill the iron golem. Okay, I will kill the iron golem.
No, hold on, don't.
Yeah, I know the trick. You need to go 3 blocks up.
No. The run will end.
Okay.
That's a stupid way to die. Then we will not be able to take another game, you know.
Alright.
For like what? For 1 iron ingot?
2. It might be useful. I don't know. I don't know, man.
You never know.
Build 4 blocks
Hey.
up. Okay.
Ah, wow. Okay, I think we should not be trying this. Ah! Oh my god, I'm being attacked.
By who?
Zombies.
In the daytime?
Yep. Perfect.
Hashtag meatballs. It's actually 3 blocks. Alright. Donkey! Hello.
Okay.
Hello, Donkey. I'm on Donkey, chat. I'm on Donkey. Love you. Bye. Wait, have I? Yeah, I've taken this, right? Yeah. Oh wait, whatever you do, don't tell Matti what I'm gonna do. Okay.
Hold on, don't do it. I will punch you down.
No. Wait. Matti, no, don't do it. I'm gonna kill him. Okay. I know the trick. I saw it on YouTube. Just be careful.
He will just run after me. He will just kill me.
No. Okay.
No, hold on. This will not work. He's following me. Why?
It will work. No worry. Wait. It will work. I promise.
This will not work. I tried it last game, 3 blocks up, and he killed me. That's how the golem got me last time. 4 blocks, 4 blocks, 4 blocks, 4. Oh my god, hold on, I was trying to tell you.
Chat said 3 blocks!
No.
Yeah, that was stupid. That was my fault. This wasn't the run anyway. I felt it. It was not gonna go well.
Oh yes, I had so much food, so good material.
It was not the run. It was not the run. Yeah, you said 4, that's true. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, that was pure stupidity. Bro, we can't go far in this game, bro.
No, because you're always doing some stupid shit.
Alright, let's try.
I think I just might go on a solo adventure. Because you don't listen.
Have you created a new world?
Yeah.
Right. Ooh! At least we got a lot of wood.
That literally has never been any worry of ours.
It's all good, man.
We just need food. We need food. We need
Yeah,
food.
let's just walk and find a village. It's easy. Maybe
We need food. We need food.
Maybe find a woodland mansion. They spawn in this area.
But then we will just die by the pillagers.
Haldan, I love you, but please listen to Matti. Yes.
Thank you.
I will always listen to Matti from now on.
Haldan has just been playing this game stupidly, you know.
Yes, I have, kinda.
He's not locked in.
No, that's true.
He doesn't know how to lock in the game.
Die. 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 I said 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 die. Bro, how many hits to kill a zombie, bro? That was hard.
Don't die. Don't die, bro.
I think I saw sheep. Let's go, sheep. You die. I'm sorry. Thank you. I'm just gonna run in the forest.
Why?
To see if I find something.
You won't find anything. Then you're just going further away from me and it's gonna be harder for us to connect again.
No, we have the minimap. It's okay. I'll just go very far. Wait.
No, hold on. Don't do that.
Okay, I'll listen to you. I won't.
We have to go together. Stop this stupidity.
Is there anything of value here? What's up there? Is it village? No. Just tree.
Bro, where are you now?
Okay, I'll come back.
I'm trying to get for bed.
Another sheep! Another sheep has to die.
Yeah, you have to kill it. You have to get pets. You will not be allowed in the mines this round, Haldan. You will just have to stay up and build a house or something.
Okay, I like that. Let's try that. Blip, blop, blip, blop, blip, blop, blop, blip. Oh wait, this way. Blip, blop, blip, blop, blop.
It's not the white sheep.
Flip, flop, flip, flop,
Okay.
flip, flop, flop, flip. Alright.
Oh, is the hole here? It's not a mine. It's not a mine.
Tiny flowers, they're so cute. Alright. I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. Oh boy. This direction, I like it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Am I the only white man from Bulgaria here? I don't know. Maybe someone else.
Are you getting food and wool and stuff?
I'm looking for another sheep. Another sheep. I killed cow. Hi cow. You die. I'm gonna see if I find something. If I see something.
Perfect. We will go over there. This looks better. Oh, 8 cows. 3 cows.
Poor Gojo, on God. So many cows, bro. So much food.
Yeah, get it all.
So much value. Oh, tiny cow. I will not kill.
Okay, let's go here.
Underwater ravine. If only we could breathe underwater. Oh my god, final sheep I need for my bed. Thank you.
Oh, Woodland Mansion.
No way, bro. Wait.
Yeah.
Actually, where?
Yeah.
There's
Wait, I can show.
What?
Do you see
Where?
it?
No?
Wait, the opposite direction of where I am. Wait, this? Here. This direction.
Holy guacamole, bro! This is the most rare structure in Minecraft. Ain't no way, bro!
Okay, can we like... What do you get when you go in the Woodland Mansion?
Chat, what do you get from Woodland Mansion? Please tell us.
Is it value if you try to storm it?
I think it's value, bro. I think it's like wait, oh my god, that's crazy.
What do we get from it?
There are pillagers in Mansion. Totem
Yeah, I know
of
that.
Undying! Mate, totems! We get totems of Undying!
Ah, nice.
Bro, that's actually crazy for hardcore run.
Yeah, that's the only thing you need for hardcore.
Okay, let's gear up. Woodland Mansion this way.
Oh, I know there is like hidden stuff in the floors. Can you guys tell me where that is?
Oh my god,
Okay,
this
wait,
actually...
I need to create...
Yeah, this is the run, this is the run, chat.
But you will probably die in a few minutes. So
No, because we will get iron before we go in, bro. We're not gonna go in if we don't have shield and stuff. And food, we need food.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna create bed. Do we have enough for bed?
Yes. I'll create bed. Bro, this is the most rare structure in Minecraft.
Yeah.
That's crazy! We found it. I'm so surprised.
Okay. I need to eat. Can you get stone?
Yes. I'll go get stone.
Get stone pickaxes for us. And oven. And coal. That's what we need.
I'm getting stone pickaxes. Insane luck, chat. Chat is going crazy for the Woodland Mansion because it's so
Okay,
rare.
we have to go. Yeah, we have to do it for the chat.
Bro, we're obviously gonna go to the Woodland Mansion, bro.
But we'll probably die if we don't have shield or something.
Yeah, we need shield and we need
Armor. If we have shield and armor, we're good.
I think so too.
But if we don't have shield and armor, we are cooked.
That's the thing.
I think so.
Okay, here is pickaxe
If
for
we
you.
go storm it now, then we would die.
I'll also create Chatterinos. I will also create
Oven. Can you give me?
Yeah, sorry, wrong. And this.
Why do you give me this?
I'm sorry, that was on accident. I need one more stone, actually. Do it for the gang. I do it for gang. I do it for gang.
Okay, we need coal. We could... How do you turn wood into coal again?
Smelt it. And then we do this. I have oven now. Wait, what direction was the woodland mansion? I forgot.
We just have to build up and see where it is.
Okay.
We're not gonna go there straight away, hold on. We
It was
cannot
this
go
direction,
straight
right?
away.
Was in this direction?
Yeah, it was this direction. We're in the right place. But we're gonna need some armor.
Yeah, come on,
Did you
subscribe!
create oven?
Yes,
Did you create oven?
yes.
Okay, put it down. Let's smelt the food I have.
Alright. And also we need to sleep. Come on.
Is it nighttime?
It's nighttime. It's getting close.
Where are you?
I'm getting flowers for the pillagers. I will give them for gifts. Flip flop, flip flop, flip flip flop, flip. Yeah, we need full iron gear before we go into that woodland mansion, bro.
Okay, sleep. Okay. Respawn point my ass. There is no respawn point.
No, that's true.
Oh, there's cave here. There's cave here. Oh, it's not cave. It's just waterfall.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. If I... Oh, please hold on. Do not die in the caves. I will be so sad.
No. I will actually be so careful now.
Then I will just continue on my own.
Yeah, we need to see the woodland mansion, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Then you cannot die.
Yeah, I need food also.
Yeah, I'm cooking. Kill the sheep, kill everything. We don't have a village, so we have to figure it out.
Yes.
Pig. I will kill the pig. Kill the pig.
There's another sheep. I need to eat. This is gonna be a crazy run, chat. I'm so scared. Oh my god, skeleton and creeper. I'm not...
Oh, okay, you're good. Oh. This was a good run, guys.
I cannot lose this run, bro. I'm running back, bro. I'm running back.
You're gonna... Because you're gonna be trying to be a hero. Hold on. Then we lose.
Do you have food for me?
It's always like that.
I need food. Thank you.
Eat it. Don't be a hero. Hold on.
I need one more food. Thank you. Yeah, we need to find caves, Matti. Come on.
Yeah.
Let's go to the direction of the woodland mansion.
Don't get too close to it, I think.
No, it's okay. They're only here inside.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. Take your bed.
Yes, sir.
Where is it? This direction.
It was this direction, I think. I'm pretty sure. I think so, at least. Let's see. What? We're going right direction, right?
I think so.
Should we build up and see if we are going
Yeah,
right
do it.
direction?
Do that.
Okay, wait.
Build. Just use grass blocks.
Wait, I'm using wood because I need to get on trees.
No, then you're wasting wood. We don't need that.
Bro, we can always get wood. Bro, we're literally in place filled with wood. We have infinite wood here. Oh my god, yes, it's here, Matti.
Okay, perfect.
Holy guacamole, Matti. So come on, come in the
Okay.
trees, come in the trees, come in the trees.
Okay, yeah. I have a better way to get to the trees. There's just vines you can climb up.
Oh, okay.
But your building skills were very good. Okay, yeah,
Wow.
we're next to it.
That's crazy, actually.
We cannot go in. Don't hold on, you will die.
No, I know. I really want to go in though. But we will
Yeah,
die.
but we will die. We have to be more careful now. Okay, we can just find a cave near this, so it's not too hard to find for us.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Don't
let's
go in. Don't
come
go
on,
in.
let's go on top of it.
Oh, no, don't go on top of it. Come down, hold
Because
on.
then we can
We have to
see
find
the
cave.
whole. Yeah, then. Okay.
Hold on. We don't need to go on top of it.
Okay. Wait, how can I find
We just need to
coordinates? How can I do coordinates?
Anyone in chat know how to do it?
Wait, I think I can just do this and video. Can just do like coordinates on.
Isn't it just like slash something to get the coordinates on the screen?
I don't know. The IKEA of
Hold on,
Minecraft.
you will die. Okay, yeah, I see it here. Okay, nice, perfect. I'm trying to find a cave near the mansion.
Wait, I just do.
Why is there no
this
cave here?
And slash. Wait, how do I do slash?
How do you do slash?
Usually it's like this, but for some reason, okay, I'll do this.
Just like you do slash on a normal keyboard, I think.
Coordinates. No. Slash. Location? No, I don't know.
No.
I don't know.
Does no one in chat know?
I don't think so. Wait. Yeah.
Okay, this is just some forest area. There's not really a cave here.
Yeah, someone is gonna find out the coordinate tricks. This is so the run, chat. This is so the run.
Yeah.
Because if we get totem on dying, we're like so back.
No, then you
I found
just
cave.
wasted.
No, I did not. Wait, did I? I don't know. F3 they say. What about shift?
That's just on.
Control F3. No, wait, F3 does not work. Ooh, I took screenshot.
Okay, I think there should be caves over there.
Wait. I have to.
But that's a little.
I cannot
from...
lose the coordinates of this stuff, bro.
Guys, there's some kind of trick. I know, I was always doing it back in the day. Can someone Google it?
They say F3, but it does not work.
No, that's on computer. In Java.
Ah, wait, I hear zombie. I don't wanna die. I found cave, Matti. I found cave.
What?
Yes.
Are you lying or not?
I'm not lying.
It's a cave, it's not.
So there are like
just
3
a
zombies
hole.
here, and I don't want to fight. I'll come to you.
Oh wait, are you not gonna go to the cave?
I'm just gonna find you first, bro. You said that.
I'm
Never
on
go
top.
alone.
I'm on top. I'm on top of the trees.
Oh, okay.
You just climb up. You see me.
Do I see you? I don't know. Bro, you're far.
Yeah, I see you.
I see you too. Okay, that's the mansion. We need to just stack up on iron, bro. Come on, this direction. Cave?
What?
No. No, wait, this is where we were earlier.
Where are you?
We spawned here, Matti.
I've lost you.
You can see down where I am, or location. Here, come on.
Ah, I'm so dead. Okay, let's go. Okay, we know it's in this area. Yeah, we spawned here. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Maybe we will have a better try with would there be a cave? Okay, we could just do the good old strip mining
Yeah, I don't think that's value, bro. That's also
until we
boring.
find the cave.
Lava pool.
Where are you? You're not with me.
I'm on 3. I'm on 3.
Okay, I'm back at where we spawned.
Yeah, me too. Wait. Ship.
I think this should be a good place for caves, right?
Wait, you went over the water?
Yeah. I'm just looking for caves.
Alright. Remember, this direction is Woodland Mansion. Chat, remember, this direction Woodland Mansion.
Does no one know how to do coordinates? I think there is some slash something.
Wait, settings. Video. General, maybe.
No, it's not. You cannot get like in Java. Ah, no, sleep.
Okay, wait. Do I have bed? Yeah, I have bed.
It's almost night.
Alright.
We don't want to get attacked.
Oh no. Game tab, they say. Okay, let me try. Game tab. I can't do it because it's only the creator.
Oh, wait. Okay, what do I do?
Oh my god, wait, there's skeleton. I need to log in. Wait,
Settings.
I'm getting call.
You can call.
Halló! Ég er á streami. Ha? Já, kaka, æði. Ég kem að þér. Sorry.
Okay, you're now creator.
I'm a creator, nice.
I gave you permission.
Some settings are disabled because you selected hardcore mode on creating this world. Oh, you cannot do...
Coordinates.
No, wait.
Oh.
Show coordinates. Boom.
Yeah, you turned it on.
Yeah, now chat can see. No, they cannot. Wait, I'ma move my camera.
Oh yeah, nice, perfect. Oh, okay, perfect.
For 2 seconds. Chat, you can see those coordinates. Remember these coordinates, because that means this direction.
You're not even looking at the mansion.
Yeah, I'm looking at the mansion. Woodland Mansion this direction.
I don't see it.
I can see top of it there. See?
Okay, if we lose it, everyone remember my coordinates that are 524 68 135. Just in case, someone write that down, please.
Smart.
Okay, now we can find the cave. Then we're good.
Alright. I screenshot.
Are you coming to me?
Thank you.
Hold on, is there cake?
Is there cake? Yeah, at home. Yes.
Oh, what? Is there birthday?
I don't know.
Maybe I will come over for cake after when we're done.
Yes. Do it.
Come on, where is cave? Bro, it's killing me. Why don't we find a cave? We found a Woodland Mansion, but no cave, bro.
Yeah, this run is going very slowly, bro. We got too distracted because of the Woodland Mansion, I think.
Not a cave. Oh, where is cave?
Wait, I'm gonna move my camera back here, I think.
Guys, I need cave.
Blip blop.
But then we'll just go in the mines and we'll die some tragic death, so...
Bro, imagine.
No, I don't want to imagine, I know it will happen.
I found cave,
What?
I think.
A good one or not a good one?
I don't know.
Yeah, check it out.
Wait, what's this? Sorry, I might have found something. I found nothing. Wait.
Cave alert.
Cave alert! Cave alert has gone on, man! Let's go! Cave alert alerted. Let's go, dogs. Okay, wait, I'm coming to you. I'm coming for ya. I'm coming for ya. Yeah, I found also cave. I found very deep cave.
Okay, nice, I'll come to you.
No, no, it's not very deep.
No, I'm coming to you.
It's not good cave. No, we're
What?
not going here. I thought
I'm
it
not
was...
even, I don't know if mine was good or not.
Yeah, let's check
Do
out
you have the
yours.
coal? Do you have the coal?
I don't have any coal, bro. Oh yeah, I have.
Smelted coal.
5
Yeah,
coal.
you have it, okay.
Yeah, 5.
Yeah, I created coal. Just making sure it's somewhere here. Oh, it's not, it's a bad cave. Oh my god.
It's all good, it's all good.
You're coming. Where are you?
I'm just... I've
You're
no,
like
you
not near me.
went so far, bro. I found coal. Let's go.
Yeah, on coal.
I'll take that. Happy birthday to you,
Ah.
happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear 000D48K. Happy birthday to you. See, I sing song.
Oh, bro, I'll use the wool.
What is the side quest shenanigans? Chat, it's not side quest, it's main quest, come on. Oh, the main quest is actually probably just gonna to get to the Woodland Mansion. But we've gone kind of far away, you know.
Yeah, but that's why we got the coordinates.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, cave. Perfect. Nice. It's a cave. It's a real cave. No, it's not a real cave. Oh my gosh. I've never looked harder for a cave in my life.
That's kind of funny.
Most often you just find caves everywhere, but now we don't find any caves.
Ooh, all I need.
I have a lot of food, I have a lot of wood, I don't have cave.
Is this
It's
cave?
not even cave. I think we'll just have to strip mine, Loki.
No.
Well, let's continue with our look. Come here, come. It's not cave.
Oh, here, Matti.
No, it's not cave. I checked it out.
There's iron.
But it's not a cave.
But there's iron.
Yeah, you can grab the iron, but I
Alright,
don't see a lot of value in this place.
I don't know, it seems to go very far down, not gonna lie, but...
Where? Here?
Yeah.
No, it's just dead end, I think.
Okay, I'll smelt the iron.
It's dead end. It's dead end.
Oh my god, we got so much iron, bro. Nice! Okay, we can do iron pickaxes and shield. Bro, so much iron! I hit the jackpot!
Take it. Maybe we can get the Woodland Mansion sooner than we think.
I think so too. Alright, bye. Oh, I'll grab it.
No iron here. There's coal. I might get that.
I put here. Put the furnace down.
Yep, I'm here. I'm not with you.
Ah! Pizzeria chat, you say! Pizzeria! Ah!
Oh, nice. So much coal.
Alright, I'll just make a new oven then.
Yeah, I'm getting coal. It's more important than you getting furnace. If we don't have coal, then we cannot smelt the iron, you know?
True. I'm coming for ya, I'm coming for ya.
Nice.
I need...
Coal for days.
Okay.
Coal jackpot mass.
Another coal, more coal, so much coal. We are so getting into the woodland mansion and getting ourselves a totem of undying, and then we go kill end the dragon and never die. La la la. This is pig. I want to eat. La la li. I will create a little bit of shield arenas for everybody that wants a shield like me. I want a shield, so I create two. One for me and one for Matti.
Right, where are you?
And then I will create a iron pickaxe, or maybe should I do rather something else with the iron? I don't know. We have a lot. And I think that we should.
If you want copper, there's copper there.
I think we
With,
should grab the copper.
Yeah, let's grab it.
Just because you never know. I think copper armor is better than no armor.
Yep, agreed.
And everybody.
Now we need more furnaces. Just
Yes,
get more
agreed.
furnaces.
I will mine
Let's
stone,
just get-
stone.
Yeah, let's
Flip.
just get a lot of furnaces going, and then we're good, I think.
And we need to sleep.
Yep. Put on your bed, put on your bed.
Yeah, sleep before the zombies come. Nice.
Can you give me the shield?
Yes. Yeah, what do we do with iron, bro?
Well, how much do we have?
13.
Can you create tools?
Yep.
Yeah, create the tools. I think that's
Do you have
most
lots of
value we
wood?
can get.
Do you have lots of wood?
I have some wood, yes.
Okay. I'm coming for ya. Ooh. I need. Alright. I'll make 1x also. With the rest of it.
Why?
Alright. Here is this and this.
Why you create X?
Because we have 3 extra.
But we could have kept it.
I mean, yeah, in theory.
Oh,
now
in
But
real
now,
life, you know.
now I can mine wood fast, you know.
Ah, true. It's a slow burn, this one.
Yeah, but we got Woodland Mansion, you know.
True.
And I think that it's gonna be value. Is there food here? Nice.
Yeah, in the orange. Just grab some.
Perfect.
Did you take any copper?
No, I did not. We need to start getting into the mines, I think.
Yeah, but there is no mines. That's the problem.
Yeah, we just mine down. Come on here.
Yeah, do that.
Bro,
Not
what do you
mining.
mean? This is like... There is a cave.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh.
Seems to be. I'll make some torches.
How much coal do you have?
5 wood coal, that's it.
Okay.
Oh my god, I hear skellies. And there's a skeleton. Come on down, come on down.
Don't, please. Yeah, wait, I'm getting the things for us.
Yeah.
You're rushing. Get the copper.
Yeah, I am.
You're rushing, bro. You're rushing.
Bro, he can't even hit me. Embarrassing. Yeah, I'll get the copper. Yeah, there is a cave, Matti.
Alright.
Got some iron. We got a lot of copper.
Okay. That's better than no copper.
I think so, yes.
Okay, nice. I have so much food. It's so much food. Oh my god,
Yeah,
food for days.
I think I got enough copper, not gonna lie.
Yeah, we don't need that much of copper.
Mm,
I already got you a chest plate and I'm creating you pants.
with copper?
Yeah.
Oh my god, golden hat. I'm so cool.
Okay, are you gonna be wearing a golden hat?
No, it's like I need hat. It's like 1 damage away from die.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, this is a cave. Let's go.
Are you going in? Or are you waiting for me?
No, I'm not gonna go without you. I learned from past
Okay,
mistakes.
come, get your stuff. Come here, I have copper stuff for you.
I got 2 iron.
Perfect. I cannot create boots for both of us. Yeah, I can create one leather boot.
Wait, let's create
We're
a
gonna have to
chest,
make it.
actually. I'm using my final... do you have not... No, I have lots of wood, never mind. Okay.
Yeah, I have wood.
I'm creating this discard chest.
Right. Take this, though.
Yeah, okay. It's just, before we go into the mines, then we go back up here and settle, okay? I think it's good to have like a place we can like call home, you know?
True. Take the leather boots.
Oh, the leather boots, yeah, thank you.
It's better than no boots.
So true. Cause all I need... Rock this. Check this fit, chat. Ring, ding, 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 boom, ba. Alright.
Wait, I'm getting torches. 48 torches, that's good enough. Okay. Let's take this. Do we have food?
No.
I have a lot.
I have no food.
Yeah, take this.
Oh my god. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Okay, I'm very good. We need torches.
Yeah, I have 48. You need more?
I have 9.
Okay, wait.
W fit. Thank you, chat. Chat is rocking with the fit. Ah! Yeah! Oh my god, dog! Hi, dog. Bye, dog.
Okay, take this.
Nice. Thank you. Alright, come on down.
Wait, I'm gonna discard in the chest.
Yeah.
Let's take the furnaces with us.
Is golden helmet better? Or is it the same? It's the same.
I don't know, man.
Come on.
Yeah, wait. Okay.
We have a couple of ways to go here. Oh, here is iron. Found iron.
Take it.
Yes, sir. I kind of like, it's like very, you know, tight, this cave.
Tight. Yeah.
And I think that's good, actually. If it's too open, I feel like mobs have a better chance of attacking us. Maybe one of us should have gone to the other direction, I don't know.
No, stay together.
Okay.
If something happens, we can help each other fight the mobs.
Iron. We are already this deep, damn. We don't have like cobblestone anymore.
Oh yeah, no.
Yo! Matti, spawner!
Yeah. Oh, whoa. Okay. Be careful.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Don't break in. Don't break in.
No, we need to do this. Wait, come on.
Yeah. You can just break the spawner though.
We can use it for XP fun.
Not anything of value.
We got music disc, and we got 1 iron, and we got bucket. Bucket might be useful.
Yeah, right. Bucket, take the bucket, but we don't need anything else. String maybe? No. Yeah, for bow.
Horse armor, bow, no, we don't need anything here.
Okay, let's go. Continue.
I'll just break the spawner for good luck. And then I place 1 torch. And I take the torch. Hell yeah! Armor for Kyle maybe, yeah, that's good point.
Worse that Kyle is not in this world.
Oh damn, that's so true. We haven't seen Kyle for like 9 months or something.
So sad. Do you guys want us to continue with the Let's Play? Maybe we'll do it one day. I'm gonna block the fire. There's nothing more here.
Okay.
We're done with this. There's nothing more.
Okay, let's go back.
The other direction.
Yes. I mean, we're pretty geared up now, so I think.
Hold on, we have copper armor.
Yeah, okay. We'll get iron armor, then we go to Woodland Mansion, right?
Yeah, agreed.
Chat, that's the plan. Yeah, they want Let's Play.
Yeah, we have to continue with the Let's Play.
If it's gonna be the road to 100k subs, I guess we could say that.
Yeah, if you guys subscribe, that would be cool.
That would
Enderman! Hold on, Enderman.
Yeah, I think we're actually good here. Wait.
Be careful, it's Enderman.
Yeah, I know.
No, I'm gonna lure him.
Okay. Wait.
Look at me. Oh, he's coming.
I'm also doing it.
Oh, are you also?
Okay, yeah, you just do that.
No,
He's stuck, bro, he's stuck.
Punch him.
Killed him.
Nice.
Enderpearl!
Nice.
First Enderpearl so far.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, I got
No,
to
you took my sword.
Yeah. It was on accident, bro, I swear.
You stole it.
Wait, there's creeper here. I like how the mobs are always just stuck here, you know?
Yeah, that's good for us. Okay, let's go to the other direction.
Mate, here!
What?
Just like deeper cave or something. I'm just gonna check.
Creeper cave?
No, deeper cave. But also creeper cave, there's creeper here. Yeah, this one goes deep, Matti. This one's... Oh my god, real cave. Okay, nice. Gold.
Nice.
Yeah, we need gold. Take gold.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wait.
We're both trying to get it. So
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not gonna stand under it. If there's gravel.
Oh my god.
There was gravel.
Smart play, bro. Bro is smart. Take that gold. I have 1 piece, but...
Yeah, you can take it.
Okay.
I have 7.
More gold. It's good for when we go into Nether.
Yeah. Oh, there's another Enderman here if you want to take him.
Yeah, see, this is very deep. More. Yeah, we need more iron. Always. Oh, two zombies. I kinda don't want to take this Enderman, honestly, but.
Yeah, wait. Oh, behind you.
Scary.
Is there like a zombie spawner here?
I don't know. There are at least lots of zombies.
Zombie.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, Enderman.
Two Enderman.
Oh, what? Wait, if we do hold, let's do. Ah, whoa, be careful.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Are you gonna lure the Enderman?
Ah, oh, creeper, be careful.
Yeah.
He's above you.
It's okay.
Ah. I have to heal.
Yeah, heal. Go back, retreat. No stress.
Okay.
We're good.
Where is the Enderman?
Down there somewhere.
He's coming. Move.
I don't think he can come up there.
Yeah, he's coming.
Nice, come on, take him. Take him out, bro, take him
Come.
out!
Come. Yeah, I have to wait for him. Where'd he go?
I'm looking right at the eyes of Enderman. Creeper's gonna blow up my house.
He just left.
No! He's coming! Ender
Enderpearl!
pearl! 2 ender pearls.
Nice.
Oh, nice, bro.
Oh, this run is going so good. But we just need diamonds and iron.
Another
How
Enderman.
much iron do we
Another
have?
Enderman.
Should I take him?
We need every Enderman we can get, bro.
Yeah, do it. Are you gonna do it?
Yes, I will.
Look him in the eyes.
Oh, wait.
What are you doing? He can just... No, you have to do... No, hold on. You're gonna get killed. Too deep in. Too deep. So he can't... Yeah, perfect. No, don't lock yourself.
Huh.
No, don't put this block there.
Oh, wait. It's just like this.
No, just... Yeah, just in.
Okay, nice. I'm locking in, bro. We're killing that goddamn Enderman. Mi amore. Chat is just going mi amore. Ender pearl! 3 ender pearls.
Nice.
Run is going very good, actually.
And we know where the woodland mansion is. Ah, creep.
Gold
Skeleton.
over there. But I don't
Skeleton.
think that's that useful.
Be careful, hold on.
Yeah. I'm locking in.
Yeah, she's gonna shoot herself. Oh, is there another? No.
Creeper.
Ah, creeper. Killed.
All good. We're good. Shield is doing good. Shield is doing what shield is supposed
Diamond,
to
diamond.
Nice, bro. Let's go. I'll keep watching here.
Singular diamond.
All good. Maybe sometimes it's like was it here?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's like 2 blocks apart.
Spider coming.
Yeah, Matti, it was here.
Yeah, perfect.
So when you see singular diamond, it's often like you go and mine the block next to it.
Ah. Smart play.
I saw this somewhere in some tips and tricks.
Very smart.
Alright, we got 2 diamonds.
Do not walk into lava.
Matti, can you, because like I need to inventory stuff. Can you keep the ender pearls and the diamonds since you already have it in your inventory?
Yeah, I have a lot of space in my inventory.
Nice. Okay, watch out here. there's lava and it's so typical to die here.
Yeah, do not walk into lava, Alden, please.
Yeah.
I'm begging you.
Begging you.
Bro. Waste of resources.
Oh, it's good. Oh, bitch!
Oh, be careful of that. No, be careful. Did she poison you?
Yes, I'm poisoned.
Hide away. Ah, I'm gonna run from the bitch. Hold on, just hide away. Lock yourself somewhere in.
Yeah.
Lock yourself and eat.
I need
I killed the witch. Ah! Oh my god, Skelly, no, don't kill me, Skelly. You're not gonna die, you're just gonna be having one heart.
Yeah. How long does this last, bro?
You see it fading away, I
Okay,
think.
nice. I'm not dying, chat, I'm not dying.
Eat to get full health before you come out.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh, everything is going not so good here.
Okay, we got like some iron and 2 diamonds. We only need 1 more diamond, bro, and then we just get the hell out, I say.
Yeah.
Like, leave when we're still ahead, bro. We are in the diamond area, so bro, we just...
Yeah.
This is so serious, bro. It is!
You don't have a bow, do you?
I don't have bow. Wait. No, I don't. Okay, I'm coming back.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
No!
Oh my god.
Run! Okay, I'll come. I'm human shield.
No, move. Hold on, hide. Don't make them kill you.
No, I was human shielding for you, bro.
Yeah, very good, but hide.
How are you gonna hit me if there's wall in front of me? There you go. You can't kill me now. Oh my god, you tried to kill me. Embarrassing, you die.
There's another one on top.
Okay. Are you full
I have
health?
2. No, I'm healing.
Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, there's fire arrows. Watch out.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why.
He's
I
coming
was
down.
going-
He's coming down.
You know, you can't come down. If you just run away from him.
No.
I ran away from him.
I got it. He can't hit me here.
I run.
Killed it.
Okay, where are you?
I'm coming for you.
Ah!
Oh my
Zombie with spear.
Yeah. We'll be careful out here. Just look for 1 diamond, bro. 1 diamond. Nice.
Alright, he died. Ah, creeper. What's out? Just crouch.
Nice.
Oh, skeleton.
Oh my god, I've never been so locked in.
No matter what you do, don't get killed. Don't get killed.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, crouch. Yeah, make her kill herself. Just crouch.
Oh my god, lava killed it. Embarrassing.
Okay, there's gold here. That means
Gold here also.
up there, hold on. Mobs. Creeper. Okay.
So much iron! Matti, I've never seen so much iron before.
Yeah, take it. I'm fighting.
Chat, have you
locked
seen
in.
so much iron
Yeah,
in one
yeah,
place?
yeah. Hold on, I'm locked in. Don't
Okay.
interrupt. Right.
I think I've never seen this much iron in one place.
Okay. Gold.
Wait, zombies. I think there's enough iron to build us both like full armor.
How much iron do you have?
I don't know because I'm still mining it. There's so much here. I'll tell you when the job is done. How much more cave, bro? I'm scared. I see. Yeah. We need 1 diamond and then we get out of cave.
Yeah, 1 diamond, and then we're out. Okay, I have 13 iron on my.
Diamond, baby!
Nice.
Diamond!
Yeah, also, don't stand under it. Don't stand under it. Just in case if there's gravel.
You smart
We
mother
don't
flipper.
want that to happen.
We got 2 diamonds extra. Yeah, I'm still mining. Matti, check all this iron here. I'm still mining it.
Yeah, take it.
I'm trying. It's hard, so much. Okay, take the rest of iron and get out. Get out, Matti. Now we get out. Okay.
Yeah, wait. Are you sure there are not more diamonds here?
Bro, we don't need more. Don't get too greedy.
Are we...
We will die.
Yeah, true. How much iron do you have, you say?
Right now I have 30, but I feel there is so much more left to take.
Okay.
Okay. I'm so scared.
When I finish my torches, we're out. I have 3 left, by the way.
Okay.
2 skellies.
Yeah,
No,
bro,
I'm gonna
let's
run.
just get out. Let's just get out.
Yeah, I'm just gonna run.
Yeah, let's get out. Alright, come on. Let's
go.
go back home. We're just going home, bro. Where? Yeah, follow torches. We have enough for.
Hold on, you had the bucket, right?
I had bucket, yeah. Yes, I had bucket.
We could take the lava with us.
Alright.
So we can generate the stones, you know?
Yeah.
The things you need.
No, you need water over the lava. It's not lava over water.
Yeah, I know. But if we put a lava pool, then we just pour water over it.
Yeah, we cannot create a lava pool from one single. We can only create one obsidian from this. Wait. Let's go home. Don't do this jump. That's scary.
Oh, I'm getting killed by this skeleton.
Bro. No. Come back.
Yeah. Hold on. Either she will shoot me into the lava or I kill her.
Okay, smart. Come on. Watch out, there's lava here. Just don't.
Okay, I'll just come here.
Yeah, come very safely. Yes. Now we go up, chat. This is the run. Holy guacamole, bro.
Be careful. Just look around you.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a power 2 bow. We could use that if we repair it with an anvil.
Bro, we're not gonna waste our iron on anvil, I'm sorry.
Oh, yes, we will.
No, we will not. Bro.
We need to create enchantment tables.
Later on, bro,
Later on, if we were gonna go to the nether and kill the dragon and stuff,
free iron! Thank you very much.
We need to enchant. That's the thing some people forget, but that's very important to enchant your stuff.
Okay, true.
But because we have 1 extra diamond, you know?
Okay, yeah, true.
I don't have any lapis though. Do you have any lapis?
Hello, Bryce. Yeah. This run is the one. This is the one.
Do you have a lapis?
No, I don't.
Okay. How do I go up here?
It's here, I think.
Is it there? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, we're back. First time we made it out of cave without dying in hardcore. Let's go.
Oof. Okay, perfect.
This is the first time, actually, we made it with diamonds out, so this has to be the run.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hope so.
Do you have lots of coal?
I have 3 coal.
Bro, we actually have no coal. Damn.
That's okay, that's okay.
I need to put all my waste things here. I'm gonna make another chest. Yeah, chat, this is the run. Oh my god, we did it. I know!
Okay, smelt the iron.
Yeah. I'm just trying to... I'll put the diamonds here also.
Okay, we need coal.
Alright. Iron is being smelted, bro.
Yeah, put it in different ovens.
Oh, okay.
To make it go faster.
But I don't have coal for it, you know.
No, you just spread it. The coal we have.
We have 4 coal.
You know, I have 3 in one bag. In
Okay.
one, not bag, in one oven.
What do you mean? Oh, okay,
There's
yeah.
one oven.
Ah, I see.
Okay, let's go if we see any coal.
Very
Where
good.
is
We're gonna do
coal?
it, chat. I know, chat!
Do you see any coal? Hold on.
No. But that's not like
Yeah.
most of our worries.
Yes, it is, because we cannot smelt everything if we don't have coal.
Yeah, that's true. But we can create from wood, you know. I have iron pickaxe. I can like do so much wood. What? We're so good. Yeah, we can just use wood for this. I'll just
Go grab
the
wood.
Yeah.
Grab wood.
Yeah, let's just
Okay.
I'll just grab a lot of wood. Oh my god, guys. It's happening, I swear to god. I can't believe it. Should we go to the Woodland Mansion before we go to Nether?
Guys, you vote. You guys
Chat.
vote. You guys vote.
Chat, tell me in chat. Woodland Mansion or
Woodland Mansion or Nether?
Or Nether.
You choose, guys.
Let's see what chat's saying. They say mansion.
Okay, mansion.
Woodland Mansion first. Do mansion. Yeah, they want mansion. Alright, let's go to sleep. Sleep, Matti, sleep.
Yeah.
Wait, you have my bed. No, I have it. Sorry. Nothing.
No.
Nothing. Classic spamming bed tricks. Oh, wait. Is it not nighttime? Okay, maybe we need to just wait. Just wait a little.
No, it's not nighttime.
Okay, let's create full iron armor.
Yeah, I have 26.
Oh my god,
20.
baby zombie.
Where? Sleep.
I stole your bed, bro.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, get totems. Okay, nice.
Can we get 2 totems?
Yeah.
In one mansion?
Yes, they have lots of it, I think.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Let's get this party started. Do we have all the iron?
I have 36.
I have
40.
I have
Okay,
two.
I have 40.
I have 2.
Okay, I'm gonna create it. Let's create 2 chest plates. Chest plate. Boom, take it.
Nice.
Okay, you did not take it.
Oh, you can put it in chest. Okay. Or this. Yeah, that works.
Get ready to grab it. Here are pants. Take pants. Perfect.
Yes.
And I can create boots. Take the boots.
Boots.
Oh, you didn't take the boots.
I did not take boots. Bro, I like copper armor. Bro, people were hating on copper armor. I think it's very good actually when you don't have iron.
It's busting.
Yeah. It's like pre-iron stuff, you know.
Okay. We don't have any more. Okay, hold on. Give me your iron so we can get 2 helmets. Perfect. Here you go.
Nice.
Okay.
Hell yeah. It's not
Now-
here, bro. Damn. Now we go to Woodland Mansion, right? Should we repair any
I
tools?
think
Like, we
so.
need more. We wasted all our iron, right? We don't have any more. Ender, pearl, and diamond. We
Yeah.
need that.
Are you gonna keep our stuff here?
Maybe that's not stupid. I don't know. To
But
have like a...
we are, no matter what happens, if we die, we die. You know.
Yeah, I know. But like, yeah, that's
think-
true. It's better to
So
have...
let's take the valuables, things we need to have.
Yeah.
In case we just want to go to
Matt,
another. I'm gonna.
entertain chat. I will have to go to
What?
piss. I'll be very quick.
Okay. Okay. What
And you have to
I'm
defend me
thinking-
from zombies. Oh, bye.
Ah, okay, guys. Wait, hold on. Okay, let's play a prank on him. You know, let's put him in a hole. Guys, let's put him in a hole. Okay. Let's put him in a hole. Let's put him in the prison. He's going so deep down, guys. Then I'm gonna put a furnace in front of him. And I'm gonna put sticks. It's gonna be an escape room with only sticks. Stick escape room. And I'm gonna close him off with some oak planks. Good luck getting out of this one. What is that saying? Wait, did I hear that wrong? No, you did not hear that wrong. With Matti dead. Am I dead? What? Huh? Okay, saying thank Matti died. What? Bury him. But don't let him die. Evil Matti. No, Matti. No. Rip. Wait, I did not die, guys. What do you mean? Haldan is just in a hole. I just put him in his place, in the hole.
Guess who's back? Big Vibes back. Alright, wait. Why you put me in hole? Hello?
No. Oh, it's an escape room. You can open the oven, you see?
Oh.
You see the oven in front of you?
Yeah.
Open it. Open the oven.
Yeah, what was in it?
Sticks. 16 sticks.
16 sticks.
Okay,
16.
you didn't even open it.
Yeah, no, I just killed it, you know.
You ruined the escape room. Okay, well, thank you for that.
No, it was good escape room. Hold on, it wasn't
Okay,
Matti,
let's-
I swear. It wasn't Matti.
What? Yeah, it was me.
Oh, nice.
How is the shield? Do we need to repair it? It's half.
Yeah, mine is good.
I'm gonna create an extra shield.
Okay.
Okay, I have the diamonds. I have I have ender. I have extra shield. One extra shield.
Okay.
Okay, let's take this with us, just in case. Guys, you can remember the coordinates if we need any stuff that's in here.
Okay, I'll show chat the coordinates if they wanna help us on this run. Then you just remember these numbers here up top left. Alright.
Yeah, copperstone. I'm gonna take the copperstone with us so I can build. Arrows. I'm gonna take arrows. Do you have any arrows?
No.
Okay. I have 6 tries. Wait, I'm gonna go pee also.
Okay. That's all good. Matti's gonna do that, and then we should go to the Woodland Mansion, chat. I'm actually so excited. I've never been to Woodland Mansion IRL in like survival. Never IRL. Only in like creative. So this is gonna be fun, and we're gonna get Totem of Undying, and then we go to Nether, and then we make like what do we do after that? Oh, then we get Ender Pearls and the Blaze Rods, and then we go to Endworld. I've never been to Endworld. Oh, actually I have. Once I won Minecraft. Prank Matti. Okay, I'll prank. What should I do? Oh, I have a great idea actually. Wait. Oh my god, can I not? Oh, alright, I guess we'll just have to build it. No, wait.
What are you doing?
Wait. Nothing. Wait, did you take the lava bucket?
Yes, I have it.
Oh, I was gonna
Bro,
put
you should
lava
not have
underneath
put...
you.
No, bro, if I would have moved and we had died, the run would have been over.
Oh, bro, that would have been funny. Bro, you were too quick with the pissing. All right, let's go.
Okay, yes, I'm gonna take the coal also. I'm just making sure in case we don't come
Prank
back.
failed successfully. Yeah. I don't think
Okay,
we
you
need
have a
anything
bet.
here.
Take the bet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we're on a good roll, Matti. Good roll.
Okay, what are the coordinates to the...
Matti, do we have
thing?
more iron, by the way?
No.
Okay, so we have no iron. Like, I'm just thinking if we need, like, to make a new sword or whatever.
Then we're cooked. I have 5.
Okay, yeah,
We
okay.
can create 2 swords.
Okay, we can save ourselves. Okay, nice. Alright, let's go.
It's... what was the coordinates again? 500 something.
Chat, now I really depend on you. Do you guys remember the coordinates that I showed you earlier of the spawn point?
Did anyone write them down?
We could use a compass also.
No, a compass?
Yeah, because he
Yeah,
shows your spawn point and it was at spawn.
Yeah. If no
Yeah,
one
okay,
remembers the
I
coordinates.
got it here. 524688135. Okay.
Okay, let's just get to 524. Let's start there.
524, that's the first number, yeah.
Hi, Georg.
That means this direction, Matti. Matti, this direction. Follow me.
Yeah, I'm going the same direction as you, I think.
No.
No. This is going up for me, the coordinates.
What do you mean?
2000. Now
Yeah,
I'm in
yeah.
coordinate 1000.
Yeah, we need 500.
Yeah, I was going to 500. You were just going to 1000.
No. This is the way. I swear.
Are we not going the same way?
This is not the way.
Where are you going?
Just trying to find 500, right? 68.
Yeah, where are you? Exactly.
Wait, you're going another way?
Yeah. I don't know where you are. Where are you? Why don't we just go together?
There's swamp. I found it.
Bro, where are you?
Follow the arrow.
There is no arrow, man.
Yeah, on your mini map or whatever.
Yeah, you're going the same direction as I was going in. What do you mean?
Oh, okay.
You were just telling me I was just running in circles because you were making me
I'll
scared.
take the coal here while I'm at it.
You gave them the coordinates to our base, right?
Yes.
Should we wait until it's nighttime? No, daytime, sorry.
It's daytime.
Completely daytime.
I
Just
see.
fresh new morning. Or maybe that doesn't matter.
Yeah, let's just walk until it's nighttime, then we sleep. I see the mansion.
Because I feel like the sun is going down.
Yeah, it is. I have the bed with me. Trusty old bed.
Yeah, let's sleep before we do it.
Yeah.
This was like the pee day. We were always peeing.
It's not night yet.
Here.
Alright, I'm sleeping.
Okay, wait. Where's my bed? Here's my bed. Okay, sleep.
Sleep.
Okay. Let's go to the Woodland Mansion, motherfuckers.
Let's go, Che.
Oh, you stole my bed. Hold on. No, wait.
No.
Okay, let's go.
We need to get on top of trees, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, zombie. I kill you.
Okay,
Alright.
here's the mansion. I see it.
Yes.
Bro, it's not safe to be on top of trees.
Oh, okay. It's a little bit of parkour skills, you know. Then you're good.
Yeah, but you have to get closer to the... Because here is like the trees are not close enough.
Bro, this is the
to
longest
jumping
stream
around
we've
them.
done so far. We're like,
Yeah, because we've gone so far right now. If we lose now, I'll be so angry.
yeah, this is the final run of the day. You know, we have to.
Yeah, of course.
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
not gonna be taking any more chances.
No.
Oh my god.
But Woodland Mansion
Okay,
might
I'm
be
gonna-
dangerous. You know that.
It's gonna be so dangerous.
I think
So
it's.
no matter what you do,
I think it's good that if we should do like. We should do like an extra. I think we should make extra swords already, because mine is
Okay.
like almost broken.
okay, come here. Come here.
I think it's most value to use the iron for extra swords.
Yeah, true. I'm creating 2 swords. Here, take this one.
Here we go. I'll have it ready in my inventory.
Yeah.
With my trusty sticks.
Okay. Wait, what's the time? Okay, good. Okay, I was just checking if we had to go to sound check.
No, we're sound check at 18:30.
Okay, where is?
Is this direction, I think? Yeah. But
Am I going in the right direction? Yeah. Eat. Do you have enough food?
yeah, I have food. I think I should be good. Alright, come on.
Okay.
Should we break in? Should we go on the first level or just start on the third level?
Yeah, let's start to sneak in.
Okay. Wait, chat is saying always just Matti died. They're trying to
Oh.
prank me, I think. I'm smarter than that. You know, I can see if he died.
Yeah, he would get notification.
I would get bling. Okay.
Are you on trees? Oh, you're on trees.
This is crazy. I've never seen this IRL survival mode.
Yeah, not me neither. I never went in there, so maybe it's our doomsday.
Okay, Matti. Come on.
Okay, wait for me. Wait for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we need an escape route also. Wait.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put more blocks here. So it's like easily escapable, you know? So like if they run after us, we know, okay, we go this direction, you know?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
Okay, sneak.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait, guys, where in the floor is like treasure?
I don't know.
There is somewhere in the floor, I know that. No, not random places, What?
Yo, there's
oh,
lightning!
It's lightning. Move. Okay, hold on. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, I hear them. Hold on. Where are you going?
Yeah, sorry.
Stay together. Don't go on your own adventure. It's not the time for that.
Chest! Only flowers, not value chest.
Okay.
This is so scary.
Ah.
Oh my god, there is lightning! This is so scary, bro.
Guys, where in the floor is the chest? Can someone tell me?
Should we go up or keep on going this way?
Let's go up.
Alright.
I don't know what we should be looking for here.
Just rooms. Something here. Maybe chest behind? No?
Okay, no, we're good.
Should we go up?
What's up here?
Just to check it out. Chest! Ooh, baby!
What do we have?
Armor trim. Okay, we got iron, we got golden apple, and we got diamond hoe.
Take it.
Sure, why not?
What is this armor trim thing, guys?
Is this good?
I'll take it in case.
Okay. I kinda have to light this place
Okay.
up, bro. Come on.
Oh, I don't have any candles.
I got 20.
Okay.
Okay, spider. No, it's outside.
No, don't open the window and just
No.
kill it. That's just a waste of time and resources.
Skeleton on top! Right here.
Top.
No, just like right there.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Shit.
Wait.
Oh, is it?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's continue.
Whoa. Wait, there's probably something inside here. Right? I feel like. Let me check. Yeah, Matti, I found secret room.
Where?
It's spawner,
Yeah.
Matti. I need to have blocks on me.
Move.
Do you think there's a chest here?
Okay.
Spider.
Move. Don't.
Yeah.
Don't. Hold on, don't walk in front of me. That's so dangerous.
Okay. Do we go there to
Why
see
did
if
you
there's...
open? No, there is nothing here. There's nothing here.
Okay. I just checked it out because I saw... You can see there is this, you know? That means there's something behind.
I catch you.
So if you see like some things, you know. Okay, no, wait, we're back here. Okay, let's go. This direction. Come on. Alright. Watch out for the skelly.
Yeah.
Skeleton with spider! Battle of the century! Oh, you both died. How sad. Alright, let's check inside this. I think there might be something. No, there's nothing. Or maybe there's something. I don't know. Oh, skelly!
Wait, where? I'm so scared.
Alright, another room. Okay, interesting.
Guys.
Sorry chat,
We're
I'm
in
not
the
like
floor,
that
guys.
locked in with the chat because I'm so locked in the
Yeah.
video game world. Chest. Only flower.
Flowers. Okay.
I'll
What's
put
here?
torch though.
Okay.
Nothing.
here.
We
We just have to go down.
Yeah, I opened here, I think, somewhere. No, wait, where am I? Yeah, we've been here, Matti, come on.
Come
And-
here. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, pillagers!
Where?
Right here.
Does he see you?
Oh, he's coming with the axe. Just use the shield. Oh, I'm dead!
No, move, run.
I was trying to use shield, bro! What the flippity flop? Okay, I
killed
expected you. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so sad, actually. God damn it! I thought I was using shield.
You were not.
I was not using shield. Ugh, I'm so sad. Wait, I'ma find you though.
Why didn't you run though?
I just thought my shield was active, so I was like, oh okay, he will only attack the shield. But then he just went through it. Okay, wait, I'ma follow you. I can be the camera for Matti's adventure in the...
Ah, I'm dead.
Actually. Damn. Bro, we fumbled badly. Let's see what we could have missed out. Oh my god, there's things here.
Can you open the chests?
No,
Better do it.
I can't. Oh my god, we missed on the chest room. It was crazy.
Oh, what?
Where was that? Wait. It was... Oh my god, underneath the chicken.
We were there, right?
Yeah, we were there.
Are you telling me there was a chest room?
Yeah, chest room right underneath. If we would have gone like down with the stairs are, if we would have broken down there's a room full of
Damn.
chests. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. But it was a fun round.
Yeah, it was a good one.
Hell yeah. Alright.
Oh.
Thank you guys for watching today. We'll keep on trying. You never know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, we'll never give up.
We'll never give up.
Maybe next time we don't go to pillagers.
Maybe we don't. But
That's
W run.
just
Bro,
like
if
true
we would have
evolution.
gone like straight to the nether, we would have gone it would have gone differently. But like when you see Woodland Mansion, you have to
Yeah.
check it out.
Yeah, true.
But hey, that's how it is. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, love, and hugs. Been a